Really? Milking that. Whoa, what's wrong with your car, buddy? Oh, what are we doing to our car? Why are we making a hole in our car? Why would you do that, sir? Please, explain yourself. All right, and now we have a bird. Okay, the bird's coming up. What are we doing? We're putting it on a syringe? That just makes no sense. Stay in school. Okay. Ah, hydraulic system to push it up. So we're trying to make a fancy car out of this broken car. Very nice. Interesting. So what, we're taking this disc, we're drawing a disc of our own. Okay. Drill this deep inside. Boom. Nice little cutty cut. Snap it. Snap it. What is this mechanism we're making here? It looks pretty cool. It looks pretty nice. It's all hydraulics. But is it worth it? Is it worth going to the trouble to make it look like you have a bird coming out of your car? Up to you. Up to your creativity, if you like it. Okay. It looks like very impressive. Like I'm not trying to throw shade or anything, but that's just a lot of work. How does it, can it pull it out afterwards? All right, it looks like he's ready. The only thing I'm worried about is like, yeah, if you glue anything to the inside of your car, the engine's hot, so that might melt it afterwards. I don't know if it's gonna be able to stay there, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. It happens. All right, pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I like it. Do you have to press 2 buttons for this to happen, or do you just press 1? I don't know. I love it. Like, the look of it's cool. Now we're putting our little disc there, so no one knows what's about to happen. And it looks like the roof doesn't close with all the mechanisms inside. Sorry, the hood. Spray paint. We're just cleaning up this hood because it's pretty grody. Didn't really protect the windows so well there. And a yellow hood. Okay, they're trying to get on my good side because I like the color yellow. And it's flames. Interesting. Why are they doing this? Why are you setting that on fire, sir? Okay, nice little hot flames on the top. Hot rod red. This is giving me Iron Man vibes. Ooh, blue on the bottom? What? Crazy. So let's see this puppy in action. Press this. Boom. Pretty cool, I guess. It's okay. Like, it's fine. I give that like the creativity. Really milking that. Whoa, what's wrong with your car, buddy? Yeah, calm that down. Are they lifting up a car? What are you, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson? Okay. Now we're breaking open this. Are we gonna repurpose it for something? Are we gonna be able to use that again? Part of me says no. Oh, so we're just like fully replacing it. Okay. What? He's like, this one's broken, so I need to break this one too. What? Explain your logic, sir. Alright, we're welding these together. That looks pretty satisfying actually, but it's pretty messy. Polish that down, make it look nice. So we stole the bottom of another wheel for this wheel. Okay. Alright, sure. Whatever. Next we're getting nails to go in between this. This looks very weird, but okay. If you want. Okay, looks pretty good. Taking this off, and now it is fully That's a cool machine. It's fully silver now. Pop it on our wheel. I'm still, whoa, what are we doing? Just cleaning? Ah, to make it go in easily. Okay. Nice. But is it going on a car? Because that doesn't look stable enough, in my opinion. Filled with gas? Yep, yeah I am. Are you? Okay, a little dangerous. Now we're getting a nice little clean on for our tire. Oh, the old card trick. I always take out my car tires so I can show people the old card trick. Gold rims, very cool. And now, only for decorative use. That's what I thought, because that would not do well structurally. Looks cool though. I like it. Not too shabby. That everything is like 7 out of 10. The actual thing is like not that. Alright, so we're taping up this backlight because we for some reason made a hole in it. It just seems like a really good idea. Good thing to do. Woodmood has the best ideas. Wow, dragon, alright, that's cool. Is it gonna look like that the whole time? Because that's just it. Okay. I just see a dragon. Okay, so it looks like we're making a stencil. Are we even going to use that? I want to see the dragon. Okay, we're cutting through some plexiglass. We have our cutout. Now we're going to heat it up so we can shape it, I'm guessing. Once it's all heated up, we can make the form. What are you doing? Okay, yeah. This makes sense, this makes sense. It tracks. Okay. Looking a little rough, but that's okay. I imagine there are better ways to do that. Okay, so they're only filling in that one little hole from the one that they made? Why would they break it to then just put it in again? That makes no sense. A little bit of sealant. It's nice they got it all around there without it dropping in. Pop that piece in there. It's not really in there. It's not really in there. Do you see that? I saw that. Okay. And now I guess we're making the design from our dragon piece to go over the top. Okay. Now we have our orangeness. What? Oh wow, okay, cool. So they're just gonna like spray paint over that? Oh wow, they're making it all like engraved. Crazy. Ooh, okay. Now that's all engraved, are we gonna paint it or not? Wow, it kind of looks awesome actually. Okay, pull this off. Come on, get it smooth. This is like taking stickers off when they stick to the thing. It's annoying as heck. And they're filling in the texture of the mountains. Wow. This is such a process. Okay. I want to see this light up. Are we gonna light up? Yeah, good. It's okay. It's okay. You can't really see it. Like no one's gonna notice that unless you go like with a magnifying glass, but it's cool. I like it. I like the idea. 6 out of 10, something like that. What would you rate that? Okay. Not too shabby. There's only so much you can see of a light going on and off. Oh my gosh, more angles. This is like, they just